What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I have my friend Jose. He brought in his STI. We're actually going to install a few parts. Wait, what are we doing again? I already forgot. So these parts are free if you can find my house. They'll be outside.
Doing side skirts, front lip, and front splitter.
We got a lot of work today.
Yes.
Yeah, that is sick.
The weed's pretty nice.
Back at it with the two-tone. Bro. Special edition. Got my car out in the rain, you know. And the homie Chet's car out here. Ooh. Ooh, they're nice. Ooh, okay. Fancy. That's so sick. Alright, we got a lot of work to do. So, let's get to it.
How much lower did you go? Just like a half an inch? Or like an inch?
You're not done yet? Alright, so he picked up some HT Auto side skirts and front lip. He has the AP Racing skid plate.
Skid plate, bro.
He's currently looking up how to do this.
Ow.
You got it in your eye?
Yeah.
Don't do that. How's it going over here?
Struggling.
Strugs.
I don't want to break this clip. Apparently he doesn't give a heads up.
Do you want to film a little bit? Wander around. Make sure to get his two-tone wheel. Double duty with the cam and... Oh.
Look at that dirty ass car.
Alright, so we got both sides done with the side skirts, and now it's snack time. So this is exactly how you're supposed to leave the front lip. Why do you need some safety glasses?
Shit keeps falling in my eye.
Why you need some like safety glasses? Just because you a little bitch.
Yeah.
So.
With those on.
Oh!
Did it pop in all the way?
He's in twice.
I got 3 of them in. Man.
Oh, damn, dude.
Alright, we're done.
It's going to town tonight.
Watch this. You ready? This is how it works.
Boom. Fuck yourself.
Jesus. Watch out now. Don't go too far.
Hits my engine.
Oh, your engine is really far up.
You know it'd be tight if we were like TJ Hunt had fucking lifts. TJ Hunt, donate to the cause. Sergio's garage. Sergio spec.
What to do with that?
Huh? What happened?
Would you hit?
Yeah.
I like the front lip.
You pumped?
Yes and no.
Why? What happened? Tell us.
Well, you know, I'm a fucking idiot. This is twice in a row I've done this now.
What, you bought parts that don't fit
I
you?
bought a front lip at first that was for a 15 through 17 STI WRX. And now I bought a splitter. And guess what? It won't fit. But now, I got a front lip that fits. So that's good.
Hell yeah.
And the skirts.
Yep.
And this skirt.
Whoosh.
Some glamour shots.
Busy day tomorrow.
Gonna shoot.
Do some shoots, some shots and things.
Shoot shots.
Shoot
A
shots
shot.
with Northwest Evil Eyes. And that video will be coming out as well after we film it. But yeah.
Ronin's coming soon.
Ooh. Catch you in the next vlog. Peace out.
Peace out and keep moving backwards.